What's up? Welcome back to RaCo Woodworking. Previously I showed you how to make this rustic farmhouse tray, but today I'm going to show you how to give it a rustic, distressed, weathered look. To start off, we're going to spray all the pieces with a coat of black paint. I gave it 2 coats of white paint. Now I'm just going to give it a light sanding with a 220 grit sandpaper. So here's the completed project. It's really easy to make. So I started off with a black coat for the base, or you can use stain. Then I had 2 coats of white paint. And then I gave it a light sanding with a 220 grit sandpaper just to make it nice and smooth. And then I used an 80 grit sandpaper just to rough out the edges and bring out that black color that was underneath. And I gave it 3 coats of clear coat. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit subscribe and the like button below.